Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today we are going to learn on how to use this, because of the comment I got on my channel. Someone said she have this but she did not know how to use it. So that one, just give me hints. Maybe many people did not know how to use this. So let's see how to use this. This is a set of 4, and they are not adjustable. You can't adjust them, so you have to use them this way. And this is 6 stitches transfer tools. This is 7, and this is 10, and this is 5. You have been watching my video using this 5 almost every time if I'm doing a decrease. So guys, let's see how to use it. But before then, this is another one. This is 7 by 1 and it's adjustable. You can adjust this to 3, you can adjust it to 4, you can adjust it to 7. It's just 7 by 1. So we are going to try all of them and see how you can use it in your project. So guys, they are just like this that you have in your knitting machine, but this is taking lesser stitches. When you want to transfer, this make your work faster and make it easier for you to move, to move stitches or to transfer stitches. So during some certain pattern, maybe lace pattern that involve many stitches transferring, so you can get the one that is closer to the stitches you want to transfer. So you can see what we have. So right now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to use this. Let's use this is 7 needles transfer. So I'm going to make sure, just the way we use transfer tools, make sure it's landed well on the needle you want to transfer. Pull them out and push them back. Then this last one is going to overlap. This is going to be on this, so shift it and make sure you pull the needle that want to take near the gate. This is the gate. This iron here is the gate, so that you can now hang it on it. So you can see, so that you can now hang it on it. So use hand to guide it so that your stitches won't fall out. So you can see what we have. This is taking 2. So easy. So I'm leaving down this 1 stitches, just like creating a lace design. Then push in, then leave 1 needle, then go ahead and push the other empty needle close to the gate of the knitting machine. Then I'm going to make sure the mouth of the picker land on the needle and let them inside the needle. So that's it. So you can see how easy to pick 7 needles at the same time and transfer. Then I'm going to push them back and knit as in the lace design. So let's try it one more time. So this is it. Pull it out and push it in, then close to the gate and hang it on top. So there's double stitches here. Then go ahead and the other side, push it out to the empty needle, then hang it just the same way we use transfer tools. Then this make it faster and easier. So let me go ahead and use smaller transfer tools. The needle I'm working on is 7 because it's 7 transfer tools. So these have to go. If I'm using this, that is, if I'm using this is the way I will stress myself through it. These have to go. Then shift, then I have to identify my 7 needle. Then this have to shift. Then I will now start to shift this. So you can see how it takes time. So If it is a baby shawl I want to knit and it involve moving the stitches around, it's better I use this multiple stitches transfer tools than using the normal one that we know that is inside the knitting machine. So I'm going to knit, and there are some design that you have to knit them. Maybe you understand, you want to do something that we call chevron design, so you have to be moving the stitches, although this can still do it, but it takes time. So then let's go and see this. You can see this is 6, so let me use this. Then I'm picking, then this is overlapping, then this is overlapping. We are not teaching design today, just to show you how to move these transfer tools around. Make sure you allow the stitches to be on them. Then you can now use this to stretch the heel of this stitch to cover it up. Then knit. So it's 6 stitches, it's 6 overlap, see, taking it once, so this does not go in. That's it. Then so this depends on your project. If you are having a project that is going to take the whole bed, you have to, get the help of multiple needles transfer tools. Push them to the gate. Make sure they land in. That's it. Then I can use this. Then if it is this, you know that the stitches is, the needle I'm working with is 6, so I have to get the center. This is the center, then that is this 6, so I have to take this first and take this, then start to move the stitches, then move, instead of moving it once. Seven by 1 transfer tools is still possible. What I need to do is to, let the 6 be up, be out, and this remains here. Then I'm going to, fasten it up so that it won't be pushing in. Then I can go ahead and use it just the same way. Then you can see what we have here. Then push it in. Then I'm going to fix it back. Then this is so nice. Then I'm going to use this to pick. Then And I'm going to pick this. Oh, this drop. There. Neat. You can see. Let me try it one more time. You can see. Push. Push them to the gate. And let them land. So this center needle is taking 3 stitches. So this is so easy. I'm sure all of them have their own unique way of, you know, helping during the project. So this, you cannot adjust it, you have to use it. But this did not have up to 10. So if you have a project you want to move up to 10, you can just get this. So you can see what we have here, how to use it. So guys, when you want to do a fashion decrease, this is so sweet to use. Like when you want to do a fashion decrease and create a design along the neck line, this is so helpful. So let's see when you want to decrease. So if I want to decrease and I want to decrease maybe 3 needles and knit maybe 10 rows, 3 needle and knit 10 rows, and I want a little bit curve, like I want it to be a fashionable way, this is so nice. So let's see, decreasing 3 on this in shaping of neck. So you can see right now, picking it, and I'm going to allow these 3 to overlap these 3, you know, put the stitches here on top of this, then this is it, then pushing the 2 out. So you can see the 3 stitches on it right now. So I'm going to knit 5 rows. Then I'm going to go ahead again and make another decrease. So you can see these 3 stitches is going to be here on the 3 stitches. Then I'm going to bring 2 out to complete it. 5, then knit 5 rows. So this is the work of this. You can also reduce this to 5, you know, just like this, and fasten it up, then reduce, push the 2 to complete it after decreasing out, then knit. Then you can see it once again, decrease 3 needle to complete it too. So this is method of decreasing or shaping for a project. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can still use this one, guys. You can see, so this is 3 and 2. Then we go decrease and shift. 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do it one more time. Go, that is the decrease. Then I'm going to move this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see, you can use this, you can reduce this to use this, and you can use this. That's the work, to move it once, And that's it, guys. Then so another thing is you can adjust this to rib one by one. If you are a school knitter, this is so helpful. You know, when you want to select your needle at the cuff area, the sleeve area, to rib one by one during knitting, and you are going faster on the school project you are knitting for the school. So this is so helpful. So how to use it to select ribbing one by one? You have to open it. So you have to, you know, open it and push it down to push it down. You can see. Then I'm going to tighten it, but you can't adjust this. So I'm going to go right now and push back and fit on this. So I'm tightening it back, it's slacking back, then go. You can see. So if you cast on 50 by 50 and you want to select it back to rib, it's so easy with this. That's the work of this. That's the part of what the other set cannot do that this can do. So they are necessary as a tools. Then you can now go and select this way. There. So guys, you can see what we have. You know, this is 3 decrease by using the transfer tools, and this is the extra edge needle, the 2 extra edge needle. So you can see we are not talking about design here or, you know, pattern here, but we are talking about how fast transfer tools can help you in your project. So you can see what we have here. Thank you.